Welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will be looking at the cells group. The cells group contains various options to insert cells, insert entire rows or columns, or even insert a sheet. It also contains options to delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete columns, or entire sheets. It also has various different formatting options such as row height, auto-fitting row height, column width, auto-fitting column width, or even setting a default width. You can hide and unhide rows, columns, and sheets, as well as rename sheets, move or copy sheets, or changing tab colors from this formatting menu. You also have the option of protecting a sheet or locking cells, or even formatting cells in more detail. Some of these options are also available on the right-click menu depending on where you right-click within the cells, the rows or column headers. I trust you enjoy this video and remember to like and subscribe.